let's look at our key attributes of our linear functions. So this right here is an example of a linear. So let's break it down. Our linear function is going to be a straight line when plotted on the graph. So that's a straight line. Our domain and range. Domain is our x values, and we scan from left to right. So we'll look at domain. So we scan from left to right. Come on, focus. Here, we're looking at that going on forever, so that means negative infinity. At this, going left to right, right-hand side, it's going on forever. When we got two infinities, we say that our domain is all real numbers. All right, our range is our y values, and we scan from bottom to top. Scan from bottom to top. At the bottom here, we've got this going on down forever. And at the top here, we got this going up forever. So again, we have all real numbers. If my line has two arrows at both ends, and it is a slanted line, not a straight line, a slanted line, my domain and range are both always going to be numbers. All right, some unique attributes. X-intercept is the point in which the line crosses the x-axis, and that point is always going to be written as the number it crosses at, comma, 0. So we've got, there is our x-axis, and we scan and we see that it's crossing right here, so this is my x-intercept. And we write that at that number, that's -4, comma, 0. Alright, so the y-intercept is the point the line crosses the y-axis, and that's going to be 0, comma, the number it crosses at. Y-axis, and it crosses right here. Here is my y-intercept, and that is at 0, comma, -3. Alright, my zeros, this is just kind of a vocabulary term. It's the value of the graph, the function of the function at 0, and for our purposes, this is the exact same as our x-intercept. So this is also my 0. Okay. Slope is the change in y's over the change in x's. So if I'm given a graph and I'm asked for slope, then I pick 2 points on my graph. Pick ones that are at whole numbers and not decimal numbers. And I'm going to put that into a fraction form, my change in y's over my change in x's. So from point to point, I want to know how many up or down it goes over the number that it goes left or right. So looking at this example, to get from here to here, I need to go up 3, so that number goes on top, and then to the right 4. So my slope is 3 over 4, and then we need to see, is it positive or negative? So when we got our slanted lines, we've got, if it's going this way, it's positive, and if it's going this way, it's negative. So this is -3.